Welcome to my channel, Your Crush Current Feelings. For you, thoughts, intentions, everything. It's timeless reading for all zodiac signs. So you can watch this video anytime. Okay. Okay, I got. Okay, your there's a third party between you and your crush, definitely, and your crush definitely knows about it, and you might be knows about it. Maybe your crush is involved in so many work. It can be other people, it can be work, anything, but your crush is involved in so many things. There's a definitely third party, and that third party is the is kind of obstacle for you. Okay, and your crush is someone who is popular, who is very, who is very successful. Something is there which you make your crush very fascinating, very nice. Something is very attractive in your crush. But as far as the feelings are concerned, so there is a third party, so feelings are not so expressed, feelings are not so clear. Definitely, there is your crush is maybe married. Your crush has other relationship, but for most of the people, there is someone in your crush life who is so much important. It can be family, it can be person, it can be wife, it can be husband. Yes. Hmm. So, as I told you, that there's a third party. There is something between you and your crush. It can be work, it can be something which is not going to finish so soon. Okay, so your crush is not going to finish the old chapter soon. Okay, and it is very important for your crush to move with them. There is some kind of thought in your crush mind which attract him from with other situation, with other people as well. Your crush might be thinking to connect with other people, other situations, but it is not easy for that person to connect. It is not easy for other that person to regrow something. Okay, last two three cards more. One, two, and three. Yes, there is a two-person in your crush life, definitely, and that two-person can be two profession, one profession, and the other person is other can be a profession, and other can be work. But your person has so many things to work with, to deal with, and your person, your crush, is having that burden. And your crush is not so much happy in marriage life or in relationship or in something. Your crush is having burden, and definitely your crush knows that you love him or her. Something is there. For most of the people, your crush knows about it. Maybe some kind of idea is there. Your crush knows about it, that you like that person, and you like that person, but you do not show it. I think you do not show it, and your crush knows that you do not show it. You are also keeping it secret, and your crush is also keeping it secret. Both of you has feeling for each other, but somewhere both of you is hiding it, not showing it, because there is a two situation in your crush life. Your crush or maybe you, somebody wants new beginning, somebody want a fresh start, but it's not easy to start something, start a relationship from the bottom. it is very difficult to generate a new relationship, to establish a new relationship for that person. Someone is stuck in this thought that how do I do this, and how do I move with this relation. The feelings is not so clear because that person is not ready to be in that relationship completely. The person has feelings, person thinks about it, person knows it, but that your crush is not ready to be in that situationship completely. Okay, so bottom of the deck is Ace of Cups. So this card tells us that definitely there is something will happen, especially in your life, which will give you happiness, love, and peace. And this can be with 80%. It is possible that this can be happen with your crush, but there is a hope, because this card is a symbol of marriage and happiness, romance. So romance is on the way, romance is in the pipeline, love is in the pipeline, but you have to wait for a little bit about it. Okay, now let's see the oracle card message for you. Connection. So as I told you that something will happen, but you have to wait for a while. A good connection will establish soon. And last two messages I can want to read for you. I need security. And I need security means it has very deep meaning, you can understand it. Okay, last. Okay, this I have so much to say. So the both card is very important and very deep meaning about it, so you can understand.